First things first, my name is Kenneth Byrd. My company is Crystal Edge Technology Screens. We ought to start a segment called What Is It Now, Partay? Alright. Now, as I told you before, this is another individual who suffers from some form of delusion, dementia. I don't know what it is. So, let me explain to you again. It can't be more than enough. I got time right now in my day to basically take the time to talk to you. Your products don't work. The reason why we know your products don't work, because again, we got $700 worth of canceled orders. You couldn't process a simple order. $700 worth of orders. We have multiple videos of you shutting down your site, pulling marketplaces, all kinds of stuff. That doesn't sound like a person who basically should be calling himself a king at the end of the day. That can't back his products. 10 days. 10 days to show us a tracking number. Both of you have given us back our money before the 10 days. A day after the order went through, you already put that money back in our account that fast. Which showed you didn't even make an effort to even put the order out. Clearly shows that you did not want the item going coming here to begin with. Y'all don't think when y'all speak. That's the problem. You don't think when you speak. But like I said, we don't have to go in and make this stuff up. We have evidence, tons of evidence on you guys, both of y'all. I don't have to lie. Face the king for what? You don't even do your test demonstrations correctly. In one of your demonstrations, which shows forever how to paint a screen, you end up matching your theater wall in your theater room, which now pretty much anyone with that any gray paint can pretty much match your product.
And we've had a competitor out there by the name of Crystal Edge something or another, who's been running a juvenile smear campaign against my family's business, trying to say that screen matched my wall. So I wanted to put it out here so that you guys could see just how matchy-matchy it is.
We have Digital One Crystal Screen Paint products, because since we can't buy your products because you keep canceling the orders and giving us back our money, well, there is the Digital One Crystal Screen Paint website that has about 7 different versions of the Digital One Crystal Screen Paint that you can make for free and put against your product. But y'all don't do that. What's the difference between your product and the Network Grade 773? I haven't seen you do that one either. What's the difference between your product and software gray? I haven't seen you do that one either. So you don't do enough test demonstrations. Your environments are too dark. Your screens wash out. You have to rely on ultra short throw projectors to produce a somewhat decent image. My company's being contracted. My company has all different kinds of business deals popping up. Next year, we're going to be looking into real estate and getting a couple of storefronts. And meanwhile, you two are on YouTube talking about, oh, challenge me here. For what? You don't have anything to challenge for. I've been making your products 9 years ago. I made your products 9 years ago. Partay, Crow, y'all haven't even been on YouTube longer than me at that. Especially you, Partay. You have no experience whatsoever. I have more experience than you. I have sold more paint than you. I've developed more paint than you. I own more projectors. I have more screen experience, which means I have built more fixed frame screens and had more motorized projection screens than you have ever had. judging by your environment, your limitations are extremely short, and I'll tell you why. Because you're only stuck and confined to that one room, which means at the end of the day, you can't pretty much go about the house because, again, someone else is the king and queen of that domain, and we all know who. But anyway, that was a bit of a low blow. Let me show you exactly how much you don't know about your product. All right, so let's go over to your do-it-yourself products.